the hassle of cooking up a feast for your next gathering, we recently discovered the secret to effortless entertaining with this exquisite range of frozen delicacies. Fragrance has a wide range of high-quality ingredients, and we bought so much stuff for just $50. We threw a last-minute party at my brother's place and got everything ready under an hour.
Can't wait to eat salted kampong chicken, beauty French filet, 3 unlike breast.
We just needed to microwave the salted kampong chicken for a few minutes and it was ready to eat. The handmade fried prawn roast with baguang is a must try. This size of chicken is good enough to feed 3 people. Look at how juicy it is. All 3 of us love the duck breast and will definitely buy it again. Get this durian mochi for your next Christmas gathering.